In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix Snapchat videos not playing in 2024. That's quite simple and interesting. So let's get started. So before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So the first thing that you can do to fix Snapchat videos not playing is to go to Safari browser and then search for speed test. Now, once you have searched it, you'll have to click on the first website and you'll have to test your internet connection. If that is anything above 5 MBs per second, that's fine. The second thing you can do is to go to the App Store and then look for any update of Snapchat. Now it says update, simply tap on update and it will update your Snapchat. Basically, it will fix all the glitches and bugs. And if it still doesn't fixes your problem, you can go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and then look for Snapchat. And once you found it, just tap on offload app and then reinstall the app, and basically it will remove all the glitch files from the application, which will fix your problem. If you found the video helpful, make sure